in the industrialized city of Coimbatore. Regarded as the Manchester of southern India, in the year of 1975, a brand was born. The birth of the brand in the textile city of the country strikingly marked the beginning of an era that was destined to set the highest standards and technological trends in the textile yarn manufacturing processes, specifically in the combing process of the yarn spinning industry, which was until then dominated by the equipment and component manufacturers from abroad. Born with the propensity of a leader, the brand Textile, ever since its inception, has been leading in pioneering progressive advancements in the field, performing competently as the manufacturer and a global supplier of comber spare parts and high-performance retrofit kits to the markets within the country and across the globe, where performance and reliability are counted upon with priority. Textile Industries India Pvt Ltd was originally incorporated as a partnership company in 1975 by Mr. S. Srinivasan to manufacture replacement spare parts for the cotton combing machines. This was a premature period when nipper assemblies, considered to be the heart of comber machines, were imported from European countries, with the industry being unacquainted with the concept of reconditioning or refurbishing of the machines. Mr. Srinivasan, being a visionary entrepreneur, was intensely driven by his inherent determination to manufacture the best-in-class replacement spare parts indigenously in India for the European machines, with an assurance of quality that comprehensively complied with the global standards. Consequently, Mr. Srinivasan completely took over the business operations of Textile Industries in the year 1980. And firmly set the tracks for the company on the paths of consistent progress. Textile was the first company in India to introduce the concept of reconditioning of nippers for all models of combers, which advantageously brought down the operational costs for the industry players in southern India. By the year 1985, the competence of Textile was further enhanced by the expertise of Mr. S. Mallikarjunan, a qualified engineer and son of Mr. Srinivasan, who partnered with his father and proposed progressive advancements in the manufacturing processes.
Hi everybody, I am S. Mallikarjunan, Managing Director, Textile Industries India Pvt Ltd. We are a 47-year-old company specializing in the field of cotton combing. Textile has many firsts to its credit. In the year 1992, Textile was the first Indian company to manufacture nipper assemblies in gravity die-cast aluminium. Textile was also the first Indian company to manufacture top comb strips. In the year 1997, Textile was the first Indian company to manufacture and come out with automatic top comb cleaning system. In the year 1997, with the advent of third generation combers, Textile saw a huge potential in the market for upgrading the second generation E7 bar 4 combers to their latest third generation. After 3 years of rigorous R&D, Textile is proud to state that we are the first company in the world to come out with a high performance retrofit kit to upgrade E7 bar 4 combers to the then latest third generation. After getting a tremendous response for our comber retrofit kit, Textile also came out with a high performance retrofit kit to upgrade sliver lap and ribbon lap machines to their latest versions. In the year 2006, Textile was the first company in India to come out with an indigenously manufactured circular comb. All the SPMs needed to manufacture the circular combs were designed and built in-house by Textile.
Meanwhile, the team of competent and committed professionals who joined the organization continued to contribute immensely towards realizing the objectives of the organization. With the backing of this cohesive expertise, Textile marched forward with sheer dynamism, marking the subsequent years with plaques of exceptional achievements vibrantly engraved. The Textile team is committed to perform at the forefront of technological advancements towards manufacturing these critical spare parts for combers with the utmost quality standards. Textile is presently manufacturing upgradation kits for converting E62, E65, E66, LK54 and LK64 combers to T81 type. This retrofit kit helps in achieving 15% increase in production rates, along with 1% saving in oil without deterioration in yarn quality levels. Innovations have always been the highlighting pointers in Textile's growth graph. The company happened to be the first in India to manufacture circular combs indigenously by developing SPMs in-house. The wires imported from leading suppliers abroad were synced and mounted on extruded aluminum base to produce mirror circular combs. Textile has now carved a unique niche for itself in this segment by specializing in the manufacture of high-performance retrofit kits to upgrade older generation combers to the latest 4th generation models. Textile is hence the preferred OEM supplier for leading European machinery manufacturers for their combers.
Our mission is to make Textile a prominent global player in the field of combing by constantly introducing new technologies and innovations. Textile's mission is to expand and enrich our range of products by responding to customers' requirements in this age of technological innovations.
Textile takes pride in being the only company to manufacture all types of technological spare parts as OEM replacements for all models of combers and holds ample stock of spare parts for all combers, proficiently serving the textile industry by its prompt supplies while being competitive on the rates. The Textile team has achieved this distinction by outshining in every aspect as a manufacturer of OEM replacement parts and by stringently concurring with every requirement that determines the quality of its products. The team employs a series of robust quality systems while continually striving towards improvement in infrastructure and operational processes to ensure that the products succeed in scrupulously matching the unique requirements set forth by the OEM. Textile's state-of-the-art infrastructure in terms of its manufacturing facility is the perfect blend of contemporary progressive technologies with voluminous professional experience garnered by the team through 4 decades of stalwart service to the industry. Textile, with a widespread global presence, exports its products to countries such as USA, Peru, Spain, Italy, Turkey, Egypt, Iran, Uzbekistan, Pakistan, Mauritius, Bangladesh, Vietnam, Thailand, Indonesia, Brazil, Argentina, etc. Textile is progressing towards launching a retrofit kit to upgrade E30 and E32 model Unilabs to T35 type. Textile would be launching a high-performance T81 type kit for upgrading the LK64Z and LK69 combers and will very soon be showcasing their newly developed Mira V combs and Cofab spools as a substitute to Vario combs and spools from European manufacturers. Being a future-ready business enterprise, Textile has been strategically implementing eco-friendly measures in its processes. Textile produces renewable green energy by installing its own windmills, adding tenets to the brand's sustainability profile.
We are proud to state that Textile has become an one-stop solution for all combing needs.